a captivating resort town situated along the picturesque Turkish Riviera, is a treasure trove of historical wonders, stunning beaches, and vibrant nightlife. This coastal gem offers a harmonious blend of ancient ruins and modern amenities, making it an ideal destination for travelers seeking a combination of relaxation and cultural exploration. The town's historical significance is immediately apparent upon arrival, with the ancient ruins of Side's Greco-Roman past seamlessly integrated into its modern landscape. The Temple of Apollo, with its iconic columns perched against the backdrop of the Mediterranean Sea, is a testament to the city's ancient grandeur. The Roman amphitheater, with a capacity of over 15,000 spectators, allows visitors to step back in time and imagine the grand performances that once graced its stage. Side's beaches, with their golden sands and crystal-clear waters, provide an idyllic setting for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. The gently sloping coastline is perfect for families and those looking to relax by the sea. The West Beach is a lively hub with beach clubs, while the quieter East Beach offers a more tranquil escape. Culture enthusiasts will find delight in exploring Side's archaeological museum, which houses an impressive collection of artifacts excavated from the surrounding area. The museum provides a deeper understanding of the region's history, from the Hellenistic period to the Byzantine era. For a touch of Ottoman history, the Manavgat Mosque stands as an architectural marvel that adds an intriguing layer to Side's historical fabric. Side's vibrant promenade, lined with restaurants, cafes, and shops, comes alive in the evenings, offering a delightful ambience for leisurely walks and people watching. As night falls, the town's nightlife scene comes to life, with bars and clubs hosting lively entertainment that continues into the early hours. Exploring the natural beauty surrounding Side is a must-do activity. The Manavgat waterfall, just a short drive away, presents a picturesque cascade set amidst lush greenery, while the Manavgat River offers boat tours that allow visitors to savor the region's serene landscapes from the water. Side's location also provides opportunities for day trips. The nearby ancient city of Perj showcases its well-preserved ruins, including a grand theater and Roman baths. Aspendos, famous for its remarkably well-preserved Roman theater, hosts cultural events and performances against the backdrop of its ancient architecture. In summary, Side's allure lies in its ability to seamlessly blend history, relaxation, and modernity. Whether you're exploring its archaeological sites, unwinding on its beaches, enjoying its vibrant nightlife, or venturing out to nearby attractions, Side promises an unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Turkey's captivating Mediterranean coastline.